In this video, I'm going to show you how to make videos ads in Adobe Express. First, make sure you are on the official website of Adobe Express and already logged in with your credentials. Now, in here from the dashboard, click the plus button on the upper left corner and then select a video template. So, in here, you can select different type of sizes. So now in here, you can now start creating a video ads in Adobe Express. So Adobe Express offers pre-made and ad templates. So you will notice on the left side, the pre-made templates. So you can pick one or start with a blank canvas. And in here, you can now add text and branding. So you can just click the text icon on the upper left corner, and then you can type in your message or add messages, customize the font size, and so on and so on. But to make our life easier, I choose the template. So this is just for an example, but you can still customize your ads. Just click some elements in here on the left navigation bar, and when you play this, or you can also change it. So I like this kind of violet. So play it, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. But like I said, it's up to you whether what kind of designs or theme you are going to create. But this is just a guide of how to make ad videos here in Adobe Express. You can add your own branding, your own logo, your own music, your own transitions, your own taste of animations. It's up to you. You can adjust and preview it, and then always check the timing. And once you're done, you can now click the download and then select the MP4 for the best quality. And that's how you create a professional video ad in Adobe Express. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.